Wagwan, my peeps. Welcome back to my channel, The Lone Soldier. I'm Ricardo. And as the post-election smoke clears, the journey must go on. And anyone who didn't see the JLP winning, and a Jamaica them live. Because I saw a post on Facebook a couple months ago, way before he announced his election. And people, the comments I saw on that post was enough to tell me back then that the JLP had this in their hands. Because from what I saw, the only thing the bro God did left to do was to take up a buckle and go live on TV and just tell the same turn it into wine. And people would believe, you understand, because you have white wine, honestly speaking. But I'm going to give everyone their turn to have their say on it, give everyone a chance, because I don't really want to look like we are fella, so I give everybody them time to do them thing. I'm currently working on my content for it, so I will drop a video on my about the post-election shortly. And as we go along, this is the positive quote for the day, and it goes, "You make life out of what you have, not what you're missing." I'm going to repeat that again. You make life out of what you have and not what you're missing. Yeah, man. And ain't that the truth? We always worry about what we don't have instead of being at peace with what we do have. Something like life. You get up every day and you can go back to your bed. That is something to give thanks for. And today's topic, we're going to talk about the flood and Nephilim and Superman. You understand? Because some farm away, these three things link up together, and it sounds mysterious, but don't worry, that's why I'm here. I will make it simple for you. So first up is the flood. You remember I was telling you the angels that came down in Genesis 6, and I also told you about the top angel of that crew that named Azazel, and how they came down and had sex with females, or let's say intercourse then, to keep it clean, with females, and then they also get children. But people, you see, these things were born with superhuman strength and abilities, aka, as somebody tell you, they call them man of renown. And most importantly, they also grew into giants. Jack and the Beanstalk and them thing there, yeah. They also grew into giants. And as they started to develop on the earth, they started to reap havoc on the land and the people, and they perverted everything. You understand? Even animals. Because I don't know if you know about this fiction person named Pan. But half of body a goat and half of body a human. Yeah, man, them kind of thing that did go on. And so everything did corrupt. So God had to do a reset. And when God check out for people for him reset, him only find out say Noah and his family was the only clean people them in the land. And people, you have to look on this, because this is significant for know, say a whole heap of people did dip on the earth at the time. You understand? And if a Noah family and him kids them alone was the only clean people them on the land, that is very, 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 very bad. Noah's family and him was the only clean people, and all had to be wiped out. Only Noah and his family and a couple of the animals were saved. So that clearly shows that something really bad happened during that time. And not because of BC AD, people. This is a significant time in history, you understand? And just to think people, and just to show you say people, really take them things seriously. Because in Bible terms, them did call them the Nephilim, and there's a couple people who refer to them people like Enoch, Moses, and them people that did make note of them, But just before I move on, people, I want you to look at something. You remember I point out that earlier that God had to do a reset, based on the state of the place and what did go on. He had to do a reset, alright? But doesn't the current pandemic bears a slight resemblance, because you have something where kill off a whole heap of people worldwide, It don't look kind of similar, a global pandemic a kill off a whole heap of people, It look like it's a reset. And I think I put up in a couple of my videos this thing with the coronavirus, the global economy reset. I'm only speculating because I am not really on the inside, but take a look at it for a minute, man. A disease started in China and it spread across the whole world and it caused havoc up until this very moment when this video I speak. That take a toll upon Jamaica as well. But it would have resembled like, somebody, because them people know the Bible, Them people, as I tell you, them know the Bible and them always try to imitate or copy God thing. You understand? So you kill off a whole heap of people and then set up where you want to set up. You understand? So, and also have a look at this. You didn't know, say, most of the virus them or the disease them will come out. You didn't know, say, it always happen in an election year. Is that a coincidence? Have a look. You know? Trust me. But we're not stray too far from the topic. You know? We're not stray too far from the topic. Back to the Nephilims, aka the Titans, the giants back in the day. Did you know that there's evidence today in the world that show that these things actually exist? You know? Because the flood drowned them off, you know, but them body did still remain upon the land. You know, and they became petrified remains, meaning typically they turn to rocks and stones or mud fossils. You understand? So I'm going to show you a picture. And you are going to be the judge because me can't see it and say me see somebody. Like but you can't see it and say you don't see nothing. So I'm going to show you. So have a look at your screen. And I think you can clearly see something from out there. You know? I see head. You know, see like something lie down and you see head, you see chest areas. You know, you see one of them look like him lie down on him side or something like that. But you can clearly see something farm out. You know, so that is not farm by what they want to tell you about erosion and things, join up things together and farm mountains. Some of the mountains them where I see are the bodies are the giants them where they dead on the earth. You know, and trust me, you can clearly see something carved out there. So I think that is proof that something really happened and you can clearly see. You know, and you can do your own checks because this is public knowledge, people. But it's just that the mainstream now go push this because them don't want you to know that there is a God. You know? So, as I say, you can do your own checks, but trust me, it's a very interesting topic. But we will include the great Superman now and see what we can find out because the Man of Steel has been a man on our TV for years, you know. The great Superman, you know. But has anyone ever take the time and ask who is this man? We pay for go watch our pan a theater and watch pan with TV and a cartoon and them all kind of thing. Who is this man and who does he represent? Because again, in the story I try to point out, no matter how brief me sure you say some angels came down. Superman also came down. The angels them they come down come get woman. Superman came down and come get Lois. You don't get no kids yet, but as I try to show you, there are slight resemblance. You know? Sound familiar. Sound familiar, yes, because of the same thing the man do. You understand? And this man also have an effect on us in many ways. Like, for example, here in Jamaica, everyone is still waiting for the super commissioner of police to come and wipe all the crime away, which is never going to happen. And yes, this is where it came from. The Superman effect, cause I don't know, them all of them heroes that them always seem to leave wherever them come from and come fight against crime. And me already point out that crime is organized. And one thing I noticed that they always try to depict him as some form of savior or God. And that is what got me about him. Because not only that out of all of the letters of the alphabet, but this character choose to use the letter S. You understand? Because me could have put S on my chest and tell you say I'm speechless. It mean, don't it? But it no must mean speechless. You see me? But come on, people. Weren't we told that there is someone who is trying to depict himself as God or play himself as God, and we should be careful? And this is something with the on TV from where a little boy I grew up. And a lot of people never look on the significant side. You understand? This is Satan playing God. Look on it. What else? What else the S could have really represent? Because I remember them just tell us it named Superman. You know, and in the movie him named Clark Kent, or them call him Khalil. You understand? And Khalil upon it, a S upon the shirt. S upon him chest. So that simply means say, you know, to me, or in my eyes, me I said this them I use to play Satan. Cause this man play himself as some form of savior, and all I movies them are him an important role. Him always come to the final part. Him and the big thing. You see me? Yeah, man. And this is another way how the media play them ploy upon people. Cause I'm sure you say the media is owned and controlled by the hand. So them have to play things in the hand. I did point out also in the episode before, say the superhero thing banned from the Genesis 6. Because when I tell you it was an alternation of the genes them time, because the man them when they born from the angels, them are born with genetic powers and them kind of thing. See me? So you have to be careful where you take in for your TV and where you follow up. You see me? Because what most people don't know in my audience, wherever you're from, Jamaica or wherever you are, my audience. The reason behind all of this, most people don't know that Hollywood is the mother of all witchcraft. Yeah, man. Hollywood is the mother of all witchcraft because it never did name Hollywood first. It never did name Hollywood first. It did name Holly Tree Land. You understand? That was the name for Hollywood first, and the Holly Tree was the tree where the witch them and priests and the high wizard them used to get the stick. So the stick them where you see them have the Holly Tree them get it from. So being as I say, that would be a total giveaway. So them change it up and call it Hollywood, And I'm gonna show you. Have a look at your screen, I'm gonna show you. And the heading goes, the term Hollywood derives from the Holly Tree. The Holly Tree was used by Jews who were known for being priests and also wizards. Hollywood movies are forms of sorcery using psychology and subliminal messages and manifestations through what is called lesser magic and bewitchment. Today, many actors in Hollywood practice witchcraft and the Kabbalah. People, you can't make this stuff up. There's a lot of things they are hiding from people, and this is the reason why I really start my channel, because I want to show people them things so people can really understand. Because I used to grow up with some people in St. Mary, so very nice. Them people are real Christian people, and so when I used to live with them people in my audience, so them people they never would have made me watch TV, and I couldn't know why. Every other little picnic could have gone in at evening time, and when they're at school, they hear them talk about the cartoon and thing. But them people would have never make me watch TV. Ever force if I go read something or do something, and so I'd have see them kind of trait them I have today. If I not read and I try to find out about something, it's like me mad, and I some buck up in them knowledge of people. And this is public thing. This is a thing where most people know now. So I try to wake up my fellow Jamaicans them at the same time and show them what I want. This Hollywood is a place where promote almost anything and get no backlash. And everything we accept, but it come in our movies same way. So who is in control? I'm going to show you just few little things because I close out, So I just point out some little basic thing because even the little mermaid, we say genetics thing going. Realize that the little mermaid is a human with a fish body. You understand? And look on what she did that way. One little something cover her breast. So from little time from where little pitney them I promote. So pitney for dress skimpy and dress up them kind of way there. I bet enough people never did look on that. Look on Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh a belly skin shirt the man a wear, Belly skin shirt the man a wear. Belly skin. I try to show you. I pitney and watch them something there. You understand? All in a cartoon like all the Lion King, sex farm out in how much place on it. But we are going to do a video on it. But there's also an artist out here who do a song about it too. Agent Sasko, and that is a youth. If you notice, him not get promoted to the mainstream media because him sang them different. And the same thing again. Dinner share, dumpling and mackerel. But we give thanks because something in the pot still. Him do want to say, be careful of the dirty cartoon. You have to be careful of where you are because remember while you da working at them something you pick me and watch and it affect them mind subliminally. It is not a play thing. And again the fish body human thing and the genetics so I tell you about from then so it's the same demonic thing. But we never know that. Trust me, Jamaica. It's in a bad state. Very, very, very bad state. But you don't know. Touch up the like button. Give it a share, drop a sub, and you don't know. This has been The Lone Soldier. I am Ricardo.